Alright guys, there's 4 things you need in order to create a website for your token. It's a brain, number 1. Number 2, a Canva account. Number 3, 20 euros. Number 4, an executed idea. Here I already have a website that I have used in the past for previous projects. Took me about 10 minutes to make and I made about 20 SOL off of it. Just rinse and repeat using it. Let's go ahead. I do always recommend you guys buy Canva Pro because it will make your life easier, especially when you're launching multiple projects and you don't have to be searching up like on certain GIFs. Like for example, this spacey background I had, it was from Canva. All I did was search in space. What you have is here you have like this type of stuff. Work with what you have. So I chose this, and the whole reason why I put this countdown, it's all psychological when it comes to this type of stuff. If I can have 40 seconds of more buyers and people holding to see what could potentially pop up, it's 40 seconds is like 4 hours in the Degen game. It's a long fucking time. A lot of money can come in 40 seconds and a lot of money can come out. So this is why I have this there. Make sure everything correlates with your socials, with your X account, your Telegram. So this was launched during AI meta, and it was a AI bot called Terminal Knox. It was a DeFi LARP. I thought I might as well just show you, but this was another website for a previous one of my other coins that is also very minimalistic, but it's all you really need. When you have too much going on your website, it becomes too distracting. People get lost. I mean, it also depends on what type of token you have, but keep it playful, keep it memey. Remember, it's fucking Memecoin at the end of the day. But for example, you have your Instagram that links to somewhere. You have your soul scan. You have the how to buy. It'll automatically redirect you to down to here. You have your tokenomics, blah blah blah. These are really the only 4 things you need on your website, and also maybe some pictures of your project. You know, ours was a George Floyd based project which did fairly well. It was up for about 3-4 hours, and this is really all you need. You could go like really deep into it. For example, let's go to Floyd AI, which is also another really successful project, but you can understand like look, it's super memey, it's super playful, it's retarded, it's a meme, but don't overthink it. Worry about your bubble maps, worry about how you bundle the project, worry about your marketing over your website. It's just a small aspect of the project, but here's 3 different examples of 3 different projects and 3 different vibes. You can do it as you please, but don't think about the website too much. Keep it minimalistic, keep it to the point, make sure people understand what they're buying into. Simple as that. Let's go ahead and publish this website. Let's republish it so you can see how this works. Okay, I'm gonna view website. Bang. This is what pops up when they click my coin. The best and the cheapest method to use when getting a URL is either using .com, .ai, or .wiki if you have the money for it. It's a little bit more expensive, but you can just go with .com. Let's say your website is PumpKing bundler test. Okay, and then here. 9 euros one-time fee. There is a small investment when you're launching your projects, but it costs money to make money, guys. It's not gonna all be for free, so go ahead and cop that. Pretty simple. Check it out. And I'm pretty sure Namecheap has the option to pay with crypto, but if you want to use your credit card or your mom's credit card, you can do so. It's completely safe. Once you buy that, okay, yeah, so here we go. You're gonna want to go to advanced DNS and then migrate all of this information over to your Canva website. Wait a couple minutes and you will be connected live, ready to go. This is the most basic way to create a website. If you want custom emblems, linkable emblems and interactive panels and stuff, we do offer a more in-depth guide on how to do it with Framer, real proper coding. It is like the Corvette compared to Honda Civic, but you can still get somewhere with the Honda Civic, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is the easiest, quickest, cost-efficient way to make a website for your token. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes of your time, maybe 15 to 25 euro, depending on what type of URL you're going with. And if you buy Canva Pro, choose custom, you can make your profile picture and banner on Canva. It's just super plug and play with this type of stuff. And yeah, that's that. In mind, this is one of the most simplest and cost-efficient ways to make website for your token. There are way more complicated and in-depth ways to go about this, but if you're on a low budget, on a time crunch, and want to get things out quick, this is the way. This version of my website was a little bit more complex as it is done on Framer, but feel free to use Canva if you do need some assistance on the Framer is more for the advanced lesson, and we will get to that in a part 2 or a second second video, but here is just an example for educational purposes, so everything correlates. Okay guys, I am going to show you a live example. So this is AI agent LARP that I'm going to be launching, and it is called Horny Terminal. Here I have all the social setup, and the Twitter has been warmed up, tweets, retweets, just it shows an active account. And here is an example of the website right here. This was all made on Framer, no coding, super easy, super plug and play if you understand the basics. Look at that, super clean. Okay, here we are ready to launch our token. Let's go ahead and send that in. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna send the bundle in, and then hopefully we can bypass some people's filters and they see the token. Remember, this is just for educational purposes. There has been no marketing, no lead up time, just a straight up launch for you guys to understand A to Z lesson we're going through. Okay, bundle is in. There comes in a couple buys. We'll just hold a little bit longer. Okay, and I'm gonna full clip it here just so we secure some profits and we take care of our fees. What should that be? Just like that, plus 6.5%. Easy, 0.2. So there you guys have it. There is the live example of our code-free website. If you do want to know how to build a real community and real projects and generate proper P&Ls, feel free to join the community channel. Send me a message, and I do offer one-on-one lessons where I also give you access to my team, to my network. Lock it in, guys. It's that simple. It's that straightforward. Don't overcomplicate things. Even take inspo from other coins. Apply Virgil's rule. Change 3%. Money is inevitable to be made in this game. Alright guys, I hope you gained some alpha for this code-free website tutorial. It's the quickest and most efficient way. If you need some guidance on perfect launches, you can buy our 50-page launch guide with 30 perfect launch strategies. Hurry up while it's on sale at a 50% discount. Everything will be in the link in the description below.